April 13th, 2020, meaning today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my shirt off so you can see all this fat I got under here. So today is a very important day for me. Today is the day I start my 12-week body recomposition, otherwise known as a body recomp, all right? Now let me give you a little bit of backstory before I explain this. Last year, this time, I tried to do something that was really dope. I put together a program where I gained 25 pounds of fat, and I showed the process of how to actually lose all of it. And I did this because I know a lot of people out there don't really believe that fat loss and getting their ideal body, their ideal physique is possible for them. So I wanted to show how it is possible coming from someone that had a similar thought process. Because when I first got started, I didn't really understand that I can completely transform my body. I knew it was possible for other people, but I didn't really believe it. And when I actually went through the process and accomplished it, I just got so inspired, and it just made me want to be able to share the experience with other people. So like I said, last year, gained 25 pounds of fat, document the process of how to lose it. The videos are there, the pictures are there. I'll show a couple of them here. I held up the paper where it said the actual date so you know it's real. So I did actually lose all of it, but here's the thing. It got super tedious. It got a little bit overwhelming of taking those pictures every day, taking the videos every day. I think I just put too much on my plate. After like the first month or so, I stopped documenting it as much as I should have. I still lost the weight, but I just didn't show the step-by-step process. And the reason was because I started getting more business. I started getting more online clients. I started getting more people that wanted meal plans and training programs from me. So I made my clients a priority over documenting that process, which I should, because I want to make sure that they get great results. So fast forward to right now, a year later, we're in a quarantine and I have a lot more time on my hand, right? So over the past month, what I did was put on 15 pounds of fat. I didn't do the whole 25 because it was just a little bit too much and I ain't really have the time to go through all that whole thing. So I put on 15 pounds of fat, and I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna show you all how to actually go through the process of losing fat while also building some muscle and just toning up, building your ideal body. So right now, I have a lot of fat in my midsection. That's where I hold the majority of my fat. My midsection, my lower back area, like my chest area right up in here. Those are the areas where I store the most fat. So what I want to do is start my 12-week body recomposition. And the reason I'm calling this a body recomposition instead of a body transformation is because, like I said, I have a solid foundation of muscle already. I'm not brand new to the gym. This isn't me going from scratch to actually building muscle and losing fat. This is me starting from where I am right now, just showing you how to actually lose it. So I'm going to be showing you the day by day, the things that I'm doing, the mindset that I have, the actual workouts that I'm doing, the cardio program that I'm doing, which is the body rebuild, and then the actual diet strategies that I'm doing, which will be intermittent fasting, all right? So I'm gonna be explaining all of that to you. I'm gonna be going in depth, trying to help you really understand what it's like to go through the process of losing fat and building muscle for your ideal body. So with all that being said, I'm gonna show you all my weigh-in, where I'm starting at. I'm gonna show you my body, what it's looking like right now. I have a lot of lower belly fat. And I know that's what a lot of you all may be struggling with as well. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to actually get rid of this fat, right? All right, so as y'all can see, I wanna make sure that this is very clear, that you understand this is real, right? So first off, you can see I have the same shirt on. I'm about to weigh in. And to make sure that you know this is real, let's look at the dates. Monday, April 13th, 2020, meaning today. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my shirt off so you can see all this fat I got under here. And again, it's fat for me, right? Because you know my normal state, what I'm used to, this is where we at. I haven't eaten anything today, and you can see I can grab all this. Look at this, I have rolls. Can you see that? It's not normal, I'm not used to this. Look, I'm not being pushed out, this is real fat. It jiggles. There's no way you can fake that. This is real. Now, obviously, there's a lot more people that have a lot more fats, but you know my normal state, six-pack and such. So this isn't what I'm used to. And I just want to show you all how it's real, how you can lose fat without, you know, surgery or any of those other crazy things that, you know, aren't necessary. The way nice, clean, plant-based diet. Just trying to give you all a nice little visual. Stand up straight from the front, side visual, right? And like I said, I know that I have muscle under here, so, you know, I'm not like brand new, I'm not starting from scratch, but you can clearly see that this is, you know, an extra luggage that I'm holding on to. So you can see the back fat down there, you can see the rows. There's no way that that can be pushed out. Extra 15 pounds of fat on my body. I'm gonna show you all how to lose it. So right now, what I'm gonna do is weigh in. So you can see my starting weight. I'm about to weigh in. And again, so you can know it's real, Monday, April 13th, 2020. Let's step on the scale. 195.4, that's my starting weight. All right, y'all, so you know it's real. I just showed you what the body looks like right now. Showed you the weigh in, you see the date. So this is gonna be an actual series, right? I'm gonna turn this into a vlogging style. We're gonna have episodes, and I'm gonna really bring you on this journey with me. So next episode, we're gonna talk about the strength program that I put together for me to follow. Like I said, we're still quarantined right now, so it's gonna be at home based, but I do have access to some equipment. I got a barbell, got some dumbbells, kettlebell, you know, a few other things. So I'm gonna put together a program based around what I have access to. I also have a pull-up bar. Then we're gonna talk about my actual nutrition plan that I put together. So the actual strategy, how I'm gonna organize my meals, the calories, macros, all that fun stuff. After that, last but not least, the actual cardio that we're gonna be doing. So I really don't supposed to be outside right now, can't go for a run and stuff like that. I wanna make sure that I'm following any protocols for this quarantine. So instead, what we're gonna do is our at-home cardio-based program, which is the body rebuild. So it's gonna save you time. No workout lasts longer than 23 minutes. It's gonna get you in really good shape, help you burn a ton of calories right from your living room or your basement or wherever you are, all right? So that's the next couple of episodes. This is gonna be fun. I can't wait to show you all how this process actually goes, what I'm going through, talk about the mental, all of that good stuff. So if you wanna come along the journey with me, then go ahead and click the link down in the description, schedule a free call with me, and we can put together a strategy for you specifically. Or if you're watching this from Instagram, then go ahead and click the link in my bio and do the same, all right? So when you do click the link, wherever you're clicking it from, make sure you watch the video that's above the scheduler, right? Before you book your call, watch the video so you can understand how I help you and how I can design a plan for you, all right? Talk to y'all soon. See you in the next episode. Peace.